Hello my dear students, once again welcome back to my channel. So we're going to solve this question written on the screen. So what is the problem statement given over here? Some values are given, a is given, b is given, c is given and d is given, and then finally it is asked to you that a plus b plus c divided by d simplifies to which type of number. So what is the value of a given over here? A is given to you as log pi base 3 multiplied by log 3 base 2 multiplied by log 2 base pi. Now guys, we'll be going to apply base changing formula. I'll be writing log pi by log 3 multiplied by log 3 by log 2 multiplied by log 2 by log pi. So 2 and 2 will be getting cancelled, log 2 and log 2, log pi and log pi will be getting cancelled, log 3 and log 3 will be getting cancelled. So finally we'll get the value of a is equal to 1 over here. Now let's proceed further and see what is the v value given to you. So b is equal to log of 576 divided by 3 log 2 plus 2 plus log 3 is given to you. So guys, let's proceed further and see how 576 can be written by me. I could write it as 3 to the power 2 multiplied by 2 to the power 6, or 2 to the power 6 multiplied by 3 to the power 2 whole divided by 3 log 2 plus log 3. Now we can write it like log AB, we know log A plus log B it will be becoming. So log of 2 to the power 6 plus log of 3 to the power 2 divided by 3 log 2 plus log 3 it will be becoming. Now let's see how it can be written by me. Converse of power rule, 6 log 2 it will be becoming plus 2 log 3 it will be becoming whole divided by 3 log 2 plus log 3. Now what can be taken common by me? 2 can be taken common by me from the numerator. So we'll be getting up with 3 log 2 plus log 3 whole divided by 3 log 2 plus log 3. So guys, 3 log 2 plus log 3 and 3 log 2 plus log 3 will be getting cancelled. So we'll be getting the value of b as 2 over here. We got the value of b as 2, we got the value of a as 1. Now let's see what is the next equation given to you. The next equation is this thing given to you, and they have told you the sum of the solutions of this multiplied by 2 you have to find out. So first of all I will solve the equation. So equation is given like 3 to the power 4x minus 3 to the power 2x plus log 12 base 3 plus 27 is equal to 0. This is C portion we are doing. So what can be done by us? 3 to the power 4x is written minus 3 to the power 2x multiplied by 3 to the power log of 12 base 3 plus 27 is equal to 0. Now let's proceed further and see what can be done by us. 3 to the power 4x minus 3 to the power 2x, then 12 will be coming down and log 3 base 3 will be written over here, that will be becoming 1 plus 27 is equal to 0. Now 3 to the power 2x whole to the power 2 can be written by me minus 12 multiplied by 3 to the power 2x plus 27 is equal to 0. Now 3 to the power 2x I'll be assuming as y over here. Let's assume. So y square minus 12y plus 27 is equal to 0 it will be becoming. That means prime factorization means splitting the middle term, minus 9y minus 3y plus 27 is equal to 0. So we'll be getting y into y minus 9 minus 3 into y minus 9 is equal to 0. So y minus 9 can be taken common by us. So y minus 9 multiplied by y minus 3 is equal to 0 it will be becoming. So y is equal to 9 comma 3 it will be becoming. Now what is the value of y? We know guys, we know the value of y as 3 to the power 2x. So 3 to the power 2x is equal to 9, or 3 to the power 2x is equal to 3. So we can write it as 3 to the power 2x is equal to 3 to the power 2 and 3 to the power 2x as 3 to the power 1. So on comparing the exponents, x will be becoming 1 from the first equation, and comparing the exponents, x will be becoming 1 by 2 from the second equation. Now sum of these two values, what it will be becoming? 1 plus 1 by 2. That will be becoming what, my dear students? 3 by 2. So C is twice this value. So C will be becoming what? 2 multiplied by 3 by 2. That means 3 is the value of C. Hope you guys would have got it. Now what is the fourth statement given over here? The fourth expression they gave, D 7 to the power 2 log 7, 2 log 7 to the power log 2 base 7 plus log 3 base 7. So let's compute its value. The last expression will be written like 7 to the power log of 2 base 7 plus log of 3 base 7. So when we'll be going to write it, 7 to the power log of 2 base 7 will be written over here, multiplied by 7 to the power log of 3 base 7 will be written over here. Now 7 will be going up, 2 will be coming down. So 2 to the power log of 7 base 7 will be written over here, multiplied by 7 will be going up, 3 will be coming down, log of 7 base 7 will be written over here. So this will be becoming 1, this will be becoming 1, that is 2 multiplied by 3 will be becoming the value of D over here. That means D is equal to what? 6 it will be. Hope you guys would have got my point. Now guys, what is the value they have asked it to us? They asked us A plus B plus C divided by D. So board mass we already know that division should be done first, then after that we should do addition. So A value, what do we know? The value of A we know sir as 1, B we know sir as 2, C we know sir as 3, 1 2 3 no problem, and then 6. So 1 plus 2 plus 3 divided by 6, that means 1 plus 2 plus 1 by 2, that means 3 plus 1 by 2, that means 7 by 2. So guys, 7 by 2 is definitely a rational number. It's definitely a rational number. But is it a natural number? No, it's not a natural number. So which option should be marked by me? Rational number which is not natural. Hope you guys would have understood it, would have enjoyed it. Thanks for watching.